Introduce highlight features or overview summary for YAGOPAL Christmas Snowflake Projector Lights. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: realistic snow effect. The Christmas Snowflake Projector Light features a newly upgraded, high-brightness LED bulb assembly for clearer images and enhanced projection effects. Its three-head design extends the light's coverage area, creating a more stunning snowflake effect. Christmas mood lights are perfect for Christmas party decorations. Place them outdoors in your yard, garden, lawn, Christmas tree, or indoors in your living room or hallway to create a romantic snowflake scene, brightening the mood and adding to the holiday spirit. They also make perfect Christmas gifts for family, relatives, and friends. 360 degrees adjustable. Our outdoor snowflake night scene projector LED light features a 360 degrees rotatable design, allowing for easy adjustment to your desired direction and angle. With an optimal projection distance of 10 meter or 32.8 feet, it covers an area of up to 30 square meter or 300 square feet, creating a stunning snowflake world effect. Easy to install and use, the snowflake projector light requires no tools. The long stake allows it to be inserted into the ground in your garden or patio, while the sturdy round base allows it to be placed on a flat surface or mounted on a wall. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go, immersing yourself in a world of snowflakes. Waterproof and resistant, our snowflake outdoor decorative light features an exceptionally strong IP65 waterproof design. Capable of operating in temperatures ranging from -68 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a breeze against severe weather, including heavy rain and snowstorms. Built-in overheat protection and a safety plug ensure stability and safety, even during extended use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.